on now. You tell it to me, brother. Oh yeah, real creepy sound. Woke up in the morning, had red marks on my legs. Really had me itching while I cooked my scrambled eggs. Shook my head and wondered, what was I supposed to do about these big old spiders? We got much more than a few. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Saw one crawling yesterday across the kitchen floor, all the way and then right up the refrigerator door. It went behind some baskets and then clean out of sight, probably resting up until the middle of the night. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you find these kind of things happening to you, you will understand why I got the wolf spider blues. The wolf spider blues, oh yeah. Went to bed at 10 o'clock just the other night. Saw a spider on the wall right above the light. It had me nervous thinking, was it about to leap? And what's it gonna do if I ever get to sleep? Oh, 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 oh. It was no daddy long legs, thank God no brown recluse. Ain't seen black widows hiding under cabinets in the house. It was no banana spider, for them I certainly got no use. But oh Lord, I surely got wolf spiders on the loose. Oh yeah, wolf spiders on the loose. Those creepy crawling critters moving through the night. You know they crawl right up on you to find a place to bite. On those hot nights in summer, especially in the south, when they get done with their biting, they might crawl right in your mouth. Oh, 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 Lord, they crawl right in you. Now if it's like this at your place, it can get the best of you. They'll have you jumpy and you'll be singing the wolf spider blues. Those things been here forever, ain't nothing we can do. And oh yeah, by the way, what's that on your shoe? Oh, what's that on your shoe? These kind of things happening to you, you will understand why